So today I thought it would be fun to try out a mask that I got for Christmas. So this is from a brand I've never heard of before. It's called Danielle Creations. And the one I was given is the Detoxifying Charcoal Magnifying Mask Kit. And if you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching face mask reviews, I have a growing playlist of other face masks I've tried, and the link for that will be in the description box below, or you can click right there to watch. So I went to Danielle Creations' website, and this is what they had to say about their product. The power of magnetic attraction is the secret to the skincare must-have. Featuring a magnetic wand with low electromagnetic current to remove the dried-on mask while boosting circulation and stimulating skin restoration. Features beeswax and charcoal to unclog pores and draw out impurities for brighter, smoother skin. Our black charcoal collection harnesses the purifying and detoxifying power of charcoal to rid skin of impurities and dead skin cells, unclog pores, and gently exfoliate for a deep cleansing experience. So the ingredients for this mask are kind of basic. We have iron powders, which I guess you kind of need in order for the magnetic aspect of this to work. I really don't know how I feel about putting that on my skin. Next we have beeswax, which holds moisture and reduces dryness of skin. Next we have charcoal powder, which binds and draws out dirt on the skin. So obviously this is the jar of product. And oh, okay. This is the magnetic wand for removing the mask. This has some serious weight to it. So I have my mask spatula. If you can ever get your hand on one of these, grab one. They make the whole masking process so much less messy. Start with a clean, dry face. Use the spatula to scoop up a small amount of the mask and spin. Use the spatula to scoop a small amount of the mask and spread a thin layer evenly all around, avoiding the eye and mouth area. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. For a mess-free cleanup, wrap the magnetic tool with tissue or plastic wrap and slowly glide it above the skin surface. Experience the mask magically removed from skin. Once the mask is completely removed, discard tissue or plastic wrap. Massage leftover product into skin until fully absorbed. The consistency in this mask is thick. Like, you can turn it on its side, it's not going anywhere. But once it hits your skin and warms up, it spreads out so smoothly. I didn't have any issues smoothing it out, but this is as thin of a layer as I could get, so hopefully it will dry in 5 to 10 minutes. If I have to give it a little bit longer to dry down, I will, but in the meantime, I'm going to aim for 10 minutes. So the time is, what the heck time is it? So the time is 12:50. So hopefully I will see you guys in 10 minutes. So the time is 12:59. I'm getting the feeling with this one that this doesn't 100% dry down because I still look like an oil slick. So I have a feeling this is just the way the mask is supposed to be. So I'm going to attempt to remove this, and hopefully this doesn't make a mess. It says, for mess-free cleanup, wrap the magnetic tool with tissue or plastic wrap. Well, I don't have a tissue, but I have my plastic wrap, which seems rather odd, but next, slowly glide it just above the skin surface. Okay, I am going to, I'm terrified. I'm terrified this is going to work, and I'm terrified it's not going to work. Okay, so we're supposed to hover it. Oh my God, it actually works. It looks like little shards of glass. This is so freaky. Wow, I can actually feel it pulling off my face. This has to be, oh my gosh, it feels so funky above my nose. This is probably one of the strangest face masks I've ever tried, but it does make the cleanup process amazingly easy. I could easily get addicted to this. Okay, I think I might need a new piece of plastic wrap. I'm getting extreme satisfaction watching these little iron particles get like plucked off my skin. Where it starts to get a little tricky is underneath the chin area and underneath my nose. I think I got it all. It's a little difficult to see in these lights. So next step is Once the mask is completely removed, massage leftover product into the skin. I was wondering how this was going to work. Whoa. It's a little, I don't know. It's not sticky, but it's a little oily. I can't figure out if it's the mineral oil or the beeswax or the combination of both. So my skin at first seemed a little oily, but now I'm actually liking how it looks. It looks nice and moisturized. There is a shine from the oil, but I don't know. I don't think my skin looks greasy. There's definitely a glow to it. It's there, but it doesn't look like there's oil just sitting right on top of my skin. I definitely could go without using a moisturizer with this. I think that might be a little bit too much for my face. So when I tried this one out, I was just expecting to have some fun with the magnet doohickey thing. I didn't expect to actually like it. So this is one I'm definitely going to keep using, especially this time of year when the air tends to be so dry. I love how this is making my skin feel. So if you have any questions about this mask, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!